A 3-week training program for peacekeepers and civilians has ended at the Kofi Annan Peacekeeping Training Center in Accra. The program, which brought together over 90 participants from countries in the sub-region, sought to build their capacity in peace support operations on the African continent.
Peace support operations across the world ranges from combat operations, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, among others. This makes it imperative to build on the human capacities of civilians to complement the efforts of military personnel through training. At the 2018 Peace Operations Support Training at the Kofi Annan Peacekeeping Center in Accra, over 90 participants made up of the military and civilians from countries including Ghana, Rwanda, Sierra Leone, Kenya, Botswana and Nigeria sharpened their skills on ways to support such operations of peace building. Reports say, despite remarkable progress made in conflict mitigation, cases of instability and conflict still persist on the African continent. Recent conflicts that have occurred in many African countries have brought to the fore the need to improve on security in Africa. The German ambassador to Ghana, Mr. Christoph Ritzlaff, commended the participants for their dedication, spirit of service and courage. According to the Director of Academic Affairs of the Ghana Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Dr. Vladimir Enchidanso, there is the need to safeguard the relative peace in countries that had not experienced violent conflicts.
Peace operation, you know, is now a universal thing. It is something we cannot do away with. Conflicts all over the place. And peace operations are ongoing every time. And now they are all complex and multifaceted. So it's not a question of just sending soldiers for them to have peace enforcement. It's peacekeeping. And you need to enforce, keep, and then reconstruct. We run these courses specifically to train all kinds of people. Civilians, military people, police, prison officers. We train all of them because in the theater, this is what happens, that all of them play a part.
Some of the participants shared their experiences with GBC 24.
For what I've learned is a lot. Remember the department I'm coming from, and my role is more crucial when it comes to the mediation process. My role is more crucial when it comes to meeting the warring factions and how can we ease tension. And the overall thing is we should maintain the peace that we have.
I've learned a lot and I've come to appreciate the whole process of peace operation, and then we learn about the civilian components, which is very vital in peace operations.
This course has afforded me the opportunity to be able to understand what goes into the UN mandate, why they deploy peacekeepers, and it has also afforded me to understand and appreciate as a journalist some of the difficult decisions commanders would have to make in sending men into conflict areas.